Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Jerry. Thank you so very much for tuning in. If you're new, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to join our growing family. If you're returning, as always, thank you so very much. It's because of you guys that I continue to make content. Well, today's video is slightly different, as you can already tell from the tag and the lighting. We are at Nailed It Spa. It's a beautiful place. The ambience is good, the staff are welcoming. Oh my god, the air smells really nice, and we are about to get treated. Pamper sessions are both a necessity and a much needed ingredient if you're going to have a healthy, balanced life. First up, I'm going to change my clothes into a nice beautiful robe, and I'm going to be getting a massage. I'll also get a special treatment and a mani-pedi. So I'll be showing you all that in this video. Guys, I just changed into my robe. I feel amazing. Yes. Yeah, and I know I'm going to feel much better after the massage. So let's get into it. So guys, I just finished my massage. I feel so relaxed. I actually feel a bit sleepy. Yes, which is an after effect. My body is relaxed. Next, I'm going to go do my nails. I'll show you guys how that goes. I'm not very sure I'll be doing a facial because of time. However, let's see how it goes. Guys, this room is amazing. I love the interior. I love the colors. Yeah, very nice. So if you're looking to have some quiet time at the spa as you wait, this is exactly where you sit. And as you can see, the light hits just right. So yeah. Different colors, different numbers.
It's color.
What do you guys think I should get?
The nude.
So my nails already have henna, so it's not advisable to get bright colors. So my options are either this or the nude palette. So I definitely think I'll be doing number 70 right here. Yeah, so let's see how it goes.
I like some.
Well, that's something I've been praying.
Praying for?
Yeah. Not to.
Oh, not to.
Yeah. I told myself when I have this pregnancy, I don't want to consume any alcohol.
Without the pregnancy, you what?
Of course.
What?
This called this called.
So I'm watching myself on that. Sitaki mtoto akonsume pombe yoyote. Me, I'll take wine once in a while. Yeah.
Guys, we've come to the end of our video today. I truly hope you've enjoyed our day at the spa. Thank you very much for tuning in. I will definitely be back for the facial. Yes, I will show you guys how that goes as well. Remember, if you need details about the spa, you'll find the details in the description box down below. The name of the spa is Nailed It. Let me know if you liked this video, and if you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up. I will see you all in the next video.